Bravo.
She's a daycare kid now, girl. She can't get out the way. I mean, like over there.
Get down with it.
Oh, and your moves are amazing. Amazing.
Good job, Noah. Join in. Do the worm.
Look at this fancy footwork.
You're doing good, Nola.
I love it.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh my lord.
You're doing good, Nola.
Oh, and you were so good with her. I love it. You're the best big brother ever.
I don't know where you got the soda things from, that was.
She can't take it.
Good job, Nola.
Fantastic.
Yeah, the merchants.
Oh, I love it.
Where are you going?
Back in here.
And she's got that whole like, I just can't take it, I gotta leave.
She gets out there and then she's like, I can't hear the music, man. Oh my lord. I'm gonna fall off this chair. I'm laughing so hard.
That one, yeah, we did that one.